If you're looking to organize projects in Descript, you're in the right place. Descript is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your workflow, whether you're editing audio, video, or working on a collaborative project. In this video, I'll show you how to make the most of Descript's project organization features, so you can work faster and more efficiently. Descript offers several ways to organize and manage your projects, starting with its folder system. You can create folders for each of your projects, which makes it easy to group related files together. This is especially useful if you're working on multiple projects simultaneously or have a lot of assets to manage. You can drag and drop your files into different folders, and it's all visible right within the main dashboard. When you're working within a project, Descript gives you the ability to add various types of media, like audio, video, and text. You can organize these elements within the timeline, allowing you to quickly access what you need for editing. One of the key features that makes Descript stand out is its ability to work with transcription. As you upload your audio or video files, Descript automatically generates a transcript, which you can edit just like a text document. This makes it easy to find specific sections of your content, without having to scrub through the entire video or audio clip. You can also add markers within the transcript to help you remember important sections or points you want to focus on later. These markers act like visual bookmarks, so you can quickly jump between key moments in your content without wasting time searching. For team collaboration, Descript offers real-time editing, so you and your colleagues can work on the same project at the same time. You can share your project with others and even leave comments or suggestions. This makes it easy for everyone involved in the project to stay on the same page, no matter where they are. Another feature that helps keep everything organized is the multi-clip feature. If you're working with multiple clips, you can arrange them in your project timeline to create a seamless flow. Descript allows you to quickly move and adjust clips, helping you stay focused on your project without getting bogged down by unnecessary details. At the end of the day, organizing projects in Descript is about making your workflow as smooth as possible. From creating folders to utilizing the multi-clip timeline, Descript offers everything you need to stay organized, whether you're working solo or with a team. And as a bonus, if you use the link below, you can get access to an exclusive, extended free trial of Descript so you can test all these features out yourself. Don't forget to hit that link for the best offer available today.